Hi, this is a tutorial to show you how to use the application password safe. It's basically an easy application to use that you can use for keeping track of your passwords like Hotmail. If you have several email accounts, it's great to use, and also it has a lot of different features that you can use, and I'll show you how to use those in this tutorial, and it'll get you familiar with what it's like. This is basically right here is an example of what the program looks like. Basically, what you need to do is go to Google or a search engine and type in password safe. It's at sourceforge.net, which is a whole bunch of different open source programs. You click on download right here, and it brings up another pop-up window, and then it'll ask you to download, or it'll have some options to click on to download some links. And then you download these two programs right here. And well, actually, you can pick which one you want. You can pick this first one, or you can pick the second one if you don't want the Java version. And I'll show you how to use those. Here is the program password safe. It's what it looks like when it's maximized and when it runs on your desktop. As you can see, it has the regular file tabs like File, Edit, Menu, Manage, and Help. And these have different items underneath. What you'll need to do is start a new database when you first get it. You'll click on Make a New Database. And then you will type in the name and hit Save. And then you'll need to make up a password. So in this case, we'll just use 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the only password that you'll need to remember when you use the program. So don't forget your safe combination. Click OK. It'll tell you that it's too short. You can make a longer one if you want, but we'll use this one anyways. And then you have your open database. And in order to save, like when you go to Hotmail and you sign up for an account, or when you add new entries, you just click up here, Add New Entries, or you go File, and you go Edit, Add Entry. And then after you click Add New Entry, it'll ask you to fill out this form here. And on group, you'll say, like for your email, we'll do email. Title, we'll go Hotmail. And username, we'll just go demo. Password. Here you can create your own password, or you can generate a random password. And we'll click on generate, and it'll bring it up here. Well, when you're signing up for an email account, you just click show, and then you copy and paste it to your sign up place for your password. You just copy and paste it, and then you can put any notes you want to here about anything about that account or anything. And then you can type in the URL, which is www.hotmail.com. And auto type, it's an advanced feature that lets you do different combinations, or type in different quick key combinations to get through it that way. And then also down here, advanced, you can have your password expire, and it'll prompt you to create a new password. It's an added measure of security. So then you click OK when you're done, and it'll ask you if you want to set that as your user default username. So you don't have to keep entering a different username each time, but it doesn't matter. We'll say yes. And then it'll bring up this menu right here. And do this. And we'll go to one that I currently use here, and I'll show you this in a second. Here is an example of what password safe looks like when you have passwords and usernames and stuff into it. We can use the dig.com, and it'll bring down this box, because you can save multiple things. Like, you have your emails here, you can save multiple emails under one category, like social networking. It runs on your desktop, but it doesn't connect with the internet or anything, so it's very safe. I'll show you how one of these works. Let's use the YouTube one. You click on here. You can either double click, or you right click, I mean, and it has these different options. This one, if you type in the URL, and when you typed in your password and things, you just click on here, and it'll open up a new window, and it will go to that website. Okay, now that we're at the YouTube website, basically, when you sign in, you're going to open up the password save program. You're going to click sign in on the website. You can do it one of two ways. You can either copy and paste, so you'll right click username, left click, paste, and it'll paste your username, and the same thing with password. Or password safe has this function that's called auto type. You can either click here, or there's a button up here. You just click in the box, and then you click back up here, and you click perform auto type, and type your username and password in, and it signs you in automatically. So you don't have to sit there and click paste, copy and paste kind of thing. It makes it a lot quicker. And basically that's pretty much all that password safe does. As you can see, the password save runs down here in your toolbar. So now you should never forget your passwords. Yay!